badness and not something you can purchase. Now look what them call on them. Make all the boys sprawl out on them. Rifle we use and plank on in a boy when we roll somebody fi ball out and beg.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's the boy Jambisco back with another update. Yo gang, it's been complete chaos and pandemonium for the past week, ever since, you know, with the whole 6 versus 7 and the whole war in Trinidad. You know, ever since, you know, Kman 6Ixx and his friends got into a little shootout on the highway, it's been straight craziness, straight pandemonium. You know what I'm saying? People wondering what's going on, a lot of stories being revealed. Yeah man gang, but today more unfolds in the saga. Today we actually have Lashup 6Ixx from the 6 and Ixx from the 7 actually taken to IG, making a post basically where both members of respective gangs have been posting requesting peace. Yeah, peace. It's a crazy situation, gang. I'm gonna have that post for you later on. Also, we have a spiritual lady, you know, a spiritual leader, you know what I'm saying, a Obia woman, a Gozo woman, whatever you want to call it, basically sending a message to Plumpy boss and the 7 gang to, yo, basically leave Kman 6Ixx alone. He's a spiritual youth. He's basically guarded up, and if you're spilling blood, you know, you're not gonna like what happened. It's definitely gonna bring down what you guys have built, and basically it's not worth it for you guys to throw away your life for one person. Very crazy situation, gang. I'm gonna reveal more to you in a little bit, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's start off with the first one. Yeah man, as I said earlier, Lashup 6Ixx from the 6 gang actually took to IG where he made this post. Yeah man, he made this post basically basically saying stop the violence, basically requesting peace, you know what I'm saying, which in my opinion is a good look. I know people have thoughts on the gang saying they're bad, but it's a good look, bro. You know, it's just a good thing to see, you know what I'm saying. They're asking for peace, saying the violence should stop, you know what I'm saying. It's a good thing. Also, Ixx from 7 took to his IG to make this post right here, you know what I'm saying, where he's also saying stop the violence. You see me? I say it's look like both sides are just the members alone. He's saying, yo, enough blood has been lost, enough life has been lost, enough blood has been spilled. Maybe it's time to stop the violence. Maybe it's time to consider peace. You know what I'm saying? The other day when I heard about the whole peace treaty situation, man, I was mad happy. You know what I'm saying? I was like, finally he's gonna come here, but turns out the whole peace treaty situation was false. And you know, it's just a crazy situation. That was very disappointing to hear that peace treaty is false, man. I want to see the two gang them come to peace, come to terms, stop the violence. You know what I'm saying? But yeah man gang, also, you know, we had this spiritual leader, you can call her Obia woman, can call her a witch or witchcraft, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? She did take to IG, social media, to send out a quick little message to Plumpy boss and the 7 gang. Basically, like I said, I say, yo, leave Kman 6Ixx alone, you know, as a spiritual youth, guarded up. You see, man, now catch man, if you don't do spilling blood, it go tear down everything you build. So no need for living, no make no sense controlling life for one man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm put the live up for you right now, gang. You can check it out and make your own determined interpretation.
Want to tell all if all ever shed he blood? What going and come back to all you? Wouldn't be nice. I don't know him. I never meet him in my life. I don't know anything about him. I don't even know what the fuck he look like. But the spirit is surrounding him. And if all they continue to do that, I want to warn all to leave that boy alone. Forget that boy. That's all they're going to do, a little clash or something, song clash or something. You see that war, that's all they want to be fighting and going after that boy? It wouldn't end up nice. Anytime that boy blood shed, all it wouldn't, it will bring down all the whole structure. Everything going to crumble for you. Don't wreck your whole life for one man. Don't wreck your whole existence, your whole structure for one man. Man could talk, man could say what they want, man could sing what they want.
Yeah man gang, you see the video for yourself. Very crazy situation. You know, let me know your thoughts on that one. Do you really believe this is a spiritual lady, a spiritual leader, Obia woman, witchcraft, whatever you think it is, a voodoo worker, whatever you think it is? Do you think she's actually real? And do you think that this warning she's sending to Plumpy boss and the 7 gang is actually valid? Should they listen? You know what I'm saying? Cause we've seen Kman 6Ixx shoot out multiple times and not once did he, you know, and get caught. I always get to a scotch free. You see me I say, so is there some merit to what he's saying? Maybe, gang. Let me know your thoughts. And what do you think about Lashup 6Ixx and Ixx actually requesting saying stop the violence? Basically a call for peace. What do you think about that? And do you think that Prezi and Plumpy Boss and 6Ixx and Kman, do you think that they know about this? That what Lashup 6Ixx and Ixx is doing, talking about stop the violence and asking for peace? Is it just a show? It's just a front? I don't know, gang. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let's talk about it. Let's chop things up. Let's discuss this. You know what I'm saying? And also let me know what would you do to bring peace. You know what I'm saying? What would you do to change things and stop the violence in Trinidad? Let me know your thoughts on that as well in the comment section, gang. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself. Be safe. Stay prayed up. Keep God in your life. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.